Today we're going to talk about remainders with division. Sometimes when we're dividing, the number does not go in evenly or you cannot completely evenly share. For example, here are the 5 fourth grade teachers at Bastion. There are these pens that they want to share. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 pens that they need to evenly share between the 5 teachers. If we were to write this out as a division problem, it would look like 18, there's 18 pens, divided by 5, because there's 5 people. Well, let's start sharing. So we're going to share so that each person gets 1 pen. And then we have enough that we can share again. So now we're going to share 1 pen with everyone again. And we have enough to do that one more time. So each teacher got 3 pens. But if division is sharing equally, can we take these 3 pens and just say, oh, well, Mrs. Rasmussen and Mrs. Blunt get extra pens, but the others do not? Is that sharing equally? No, it's not. Can we take these pens and break them in half so that everyone still has part of a pen? No, that's silly. Then pens wouldn't work. That defeats the whole point. So, every person would have 3 pens. We call these leftover pens remainders, and we say that when we're saying the answer of just R3. That way, we can sometimes be lazy and not have to write out the whole entire remainder or the whole word remainder. So each person got 3, and then we know we have a remainder or leftover 3 pens. Let's try that in another way. Grab out your whiteboards and do this one with me. We have 21 divided by 4. So think about it. We have 21 cookies that we are going to share evenly between 4 people. So first, let's draw our 4 people. We're going to represent them with just 4 circles. Then we're going to start sharing our 21 cookies evenly between the 4 people. So I'm going to start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shared equally between each person. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20. But we need to make it all the way to 21. Well, can I give one person an extra cookie? No, that's not fair. So this cookie is going to go down on the side. That is our leftover. So to find our answer, let's see how much one person got. One person got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cookies. But we can't forget about this leftover cookie. We call that leftover cookie a remainder. So we can just write that the answer would be 5R1. And you can do a capital R, you could do a lowercase r, either one works. But we can't forget that we have that one cookie left over. Let's try another one. Go ahead and erase your boards. We are going to do 31 divided by 7. So first think, we have 31 pies that we're going to share between 7 people. So first let's draw our 7 people. Then we're going to start evenly sharing, making sure that every time we make a round around, kind of like when you're passing out cards for a card game, you give one person to one, you give one card to one person, and you keep going and going until they're all gone. So we're going to see how many we can fit by sharing equally. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got to 31 yet? Nope, not yet. So let's do another round of sharing. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Still not there. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Not quite, we're trying to get to 31. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Well, I know if I try to go another time, I won't have enough to share for everyone. So I'm going to have to put my extra on the side. So I did 28, 29, 30, 31. So I have 3 extra pies left over. To find my answer, I see how much one person got. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. But we can't forget the remainder. The remainder would be a remainder of 3 because that is how many pies we have left over. Now we're going to do 43 divided by 5. So go ahead and erase your boards. So we have 43 cupcakes. We're going to share them between 5 people. So let's draw our 5 people. And let's share those 43 cupcakes, making sure that we are sharing evenly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now with 40, I'm trying to get to 43. I know I cannot evenly share those last 3 cupcakes, so they're going to have to go on the side. To find our answer, let's count up how many cupcakes one person got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we can't forget our cupcakes on the side. What would our remainder be? Yes, we'd have a remainder of 3.